Now, why a USMLE? Okay, the reason is very, very simple. Okay, in the history of examinations, okay, if you ask an exam which is so near to the real life clinic, as if you are excel for doctor, even if you are a student, first year student, but your thinking or your approach completely changes if you prepare for this exam. There are a lot of students whose parents are doctors. They prepare with us for USMLE not even with an intent to go to America. But the reality is, if you prepare for these examinations, you will be completely ready. You will be ready with patient cases. You will be ready with MCQs which are clinical in nature. You will be ready with applied clinical concepts. You will be actually good in clinical diagnosis. You will be good in patient-centered communication skills, ethics. So the point is, this examination ensures. I always tell a student, what is USMLE exam? USMLE exam is nothing but a busy day in your clinic. That's it. Okay, step 1 exam has around 280 questions. These are as good as you are in a very busy hospital and seeing 280 patients a day. 7, total 8 hours of time. Okay, 8-hour examinations and 280 questions. 7 blocks of 40 questions each. So it is all about making sure that you are fundamentally ready for these examinations. All right. And at Moksh, we will ensure you will be ready for these kind of examinations. We very regularly coach the students. We have high scorers definitely in this entire process. So what we do is we help you with medical school admissions. We help you with college exam prep. We help you with license examinations, which leads you to an MBBS degree. We help you with USMLE preparation and your pathway to PG. Okay, that is what we do. We are here to help you with your entire roadblocks. All right. When can we give the step 1 exam? Once you pass your second year. So in the third year, you can appear. All right. Great. Step 1 is going to be pass and a fail. So what are the pros and cons? How can students going to give step 1 in 2022 after 2022 tackle the situation? Step 1 becoming pass and a fail does not change anything. Whether you are going to give it or not, that's your personal choice. Okay, but there are certain selection factors, okay, on the basis of which you get admissions in America. Okay, those are very, very standard. The parameters are changing, nothing else. Okay, so Vaibhav is saying, sir, step 1 is becoming pass and a fail from next year. What do I do? Nothing. You should give the exam when you are ready. Are you ready in 2020? Give it now. Will you be ready next year? Give it next year. The exam will neither become easy, neither become difficult. Okay, but the parameter of selection will change. Earlier the importance was only more on step 1 score. Now it will be step 2 CK score, step 3 score, whether you pass step 1 in first attempt or not. Rest remains the same. You still require good LORs, you still require good US clinical experience, you still require an all-rounded CV. So that is not changing. So all of you have a handout section with you. You can download the USMLE brochure from there, because that is important for you to understand what I'm trying to tell you. Okay, in US there is no tuition fee to do post graduation. However, okay, you need to apply just like you're applying for a job. Okay, and what are the parameters on the basis of what you get admission? So open the brochure and you will be able to understand and see this. All of you have got this brochure on this handout section. Okay, so Factors that determine PG in America. What are the factors? First factor is college performance. Second is USMLE score. Third is CV. Is residency interview. Okay, these are all the factors which determine your admissions in America. Okay, so it's an all-rounded profile or CV which make a difference. All right, and that is what you need to consider, and that is what we help you. How long are the step 1 marks valid? Step 1 marks, Bhargavi, if you pass the exams, the scores are valid for 7 years. Okay, so the rule is whenever you start your USMLE preparation, the entire series from step 1 to step 3 you need to clear within a period of 7 years. Okay, 7 years is the time in which you need to clear the entire series from step 1 to step 3. All right, clear? The total cost of USMLE process is 20 lakh Indian rupees. Just don't consider the exam fee. There is exam fees, there is clinical rotation, there is travel to America, lot of factors involved. Okay, we will be discussing that much in detail. So your investment in the USMLE process, total money is 20 lakh rupees. Okay, that is the total expense over a period of minimum 4 to 5 years. Okay, it is not together. You might spend some money in step 1, you'll spend some money in CK, you'll spend some money in clinical rotation, you'll some money in applications. So total investment is around 20 lakh rupees, which is what people don't realize, 1/5 of buying a private college seat in India. So rather than buying a seat in a private college, might as well prepare for step 1 from now. Okay, all I will request you is that I appreciate all of you for the part of this session. However, yes, it is definitely it needs to be informed to you that this today's session was focused on the next examination. All right, but at Moksha we do very regular career counseling. Okay, so those who want to attend a detailed session on USMLE, feel free to join in and attend that session in the coming week. Our counselors will let you know. Those who want to know about medical PG in Germany, especially those who are graduates, we do a separate session on that. And those who want a personal one-on-one counseling, especially with their parents, they can connect the Moksha counselors, and we can do one-on-one counseling as well. That's not a problem. We virtually connect with students over Zoom, over Skype, and also interact with their parents and make them understand the entire process. So yes, if you want a Zoom or a Skype counseling, you want a free trial, you want to attend upcoming USMLE webinars of Moksha, free to do that, not a problem at all. I appreciate all of you to be part of today's session. So next to exam at this point of time, what have been informed will be a practical exam, but it is not at this point of time announced whether this practical exam, what will be the scoring pattern and what will be the examination schedule. But definitely next will be a practical exam. World ranking does not matter, however, what matters is that whether your college is approved by American board or not. If you want to write the USMLE exam, world ranking does not matter. But what matters is the college from where you are studying. Is it there and approved in the world directory? Yes or no? That definitely matters. Open the world directory of medical school and check for your college. College ranking does not matter. What's your college? Can you just let me know your college name? we can check whether it is eligible or not. We will help you with that. You can attend our sessions taken by clinical doctors, and they will let you know how it works. Of course, for the practical exams, once they are announced, we will have physical centers. At this point of time, the theory papers are all taught online. Okay. We do session on global medical licenses also. So definitely you attend our global medical license where I talk about all the examinations.